Hello, positive people. Welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, hello, hello. And if this is your first time clicking on my videos, thank you so much for tuning in. And since you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you are notified anytime I post a new video. So in this video, I went to At Home and I purchased this beautiful lantern and this beautiful artificial plant that I'm gonna put in the corner near my window. I am tackling cleaning my refrigerator because it needed it so bad. And I'm going to unbox my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera that I got for Christmas that I'm literally just opening now. So if you like this type of content, please continue to watch and continue to support. And yeah, let's just get into this video. So I went on to Instacart to grab some things. I didn't need a lot, so this was a very small grocery list, but I needed to grab these things. These are things I typically eat or use every single day. And I knew I was going to be cleaning up my refrigerator, so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and put an order in through Publix and have it delivered. So this is my order here, just a few little things to get my day started. The lady was so sweet. I love using Instacart when I get my groceries through Publix because they're usually very nice. I usually get the diamond delivery people, so they're usually always really sweet. So I'm just gonna clean off all of this stuff real quick with some Lysol wipes, and then I'm gonna get to tackling cleaning that darn refrigerator.
obsession over you. I'm not so systematic. It's just that I'm an addict for your love. Just think how long I've known you. It's wrong for me to own you. I can keep. It's really not confusing. I'm just a young illusion. Can't you see it?
Okay, so my refrigerator, inside my refrigerator is much better than it was. So much cleaner, neater. Not as organized as I wanted, but this is okay for now. I did throw away a lot of stuff because it was expired or just not good anymore. But it looks so much cleaner, so much nicer. Yeah, sorry if the lighting is too bright here. I'm still trying to figure out how to work my camera. I don't know how to make this darker so you can see inside the fridge a little better. But yeah, so it's clean. Just believe me when I tell you it's clean. Yeah, looking so much better. Okay, if you're wondering why I didn't show you me clean the freezer, is because I didn't do that side. My freezer is pretty clean for the most part. I don't really put much in it except for the meats that I use, that I cook for my home chef meals. That's pretty much all that's in there. But I do want to show you the, let's see here. So in the beginning of the video, you saw us buying this at home. I got this little planter. From far away on camera, it looks like it's huge, it's heavy, but it's really not. And I love that. It gives the illusion that it's super, you know, thick and heavy. So I love that. And then we got this artificial plant also from at home. And yeah, I think it looks really good. I'm gonna fill it in with some rocks, either rocks or some moss. I haven't decided yet. I'm thinking the stone rocks or stone, whatever you call those things, I'm gonna put in there. I think that'll look really nice. But yeah, I really like it. So I am finally opening my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I could not wait to open this thing. Look how cute it is. So right now I'm just getting everything together. I have to download the app. I have to register on my phone so I can set up everything. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna show you how the footage looks. Okay, so here we are. We finally got this Osmo Pocket 3 camera set up. So I guess you just hit this button here. Actually, you can turn the little camera around and then it kind of turns on. But I don't have my SD card in here, so let me do that first. Okay, so let me put my SD card in here. Ooh. I'm sorry, I know I look a mess, but what else is new? I'm never prepared for the camera. Okay, so it's on here, it's in there. And yeah, this is what it looks like. You probably can't see it, but I'm gonna go ahead and record myself, and then I'm gonna put the clip up of me recording myself on this. So yeah, let's see if it works. And we're gonna turn the camera around. Let's figure out how to do it first. Okay, how do you turn the camera? Oh, here it is. So it's a little button. Okay, so there's a little button down here where you turn the camera around. And yeah, this is it. Wow, this is really cute. And if I do this, I thought it's supposed to move. camera, I like the quality. I don't mind the quality of it. I know some people said that they don't like, well, I don't want to say they didn't like it, but they weren't fond of the quality, but I think it's really good, considering. So this will be the camera that I use when I go out and I'm vlogging outside. If I'm vlogging to, you know, buy home decor and things like that, I feel more comfortable with something this small opposed to this camera here. So yeah, I like it. So I've had this camera since Christmas, by the way. I got it for Christmas. It was a Christmas gift from my husband, and I'm just now opening it. So, but I knew about this camera back in September because I saw it in Best Buy, and it was like a little over $300. I was like, wow, that's not bad for a camera. But you know how small it is. I was thinking, okay, it might not be that great. So, but then I started seeing people posting about it and seeing on TikTok and YouTube. I'm like, okay, this camera is really, really nice. I should have bought it. And lo and behold, my husband got it for me for Christmas. So I'm happy I got it. So I would definitely be using this. So yeah, I like it. So this is gonna work out perfect. So when I'm going out and about, you know, to stores and doing things, this is what I'm gonna be using. And I think the quality is pretty good considering. So yeah, so if you're thinking of, well, you know what, let me use it for a while before, because this is not sponsored. So I'm not gonna promote this and tell you to go buy it, but I will let you know how it works for me. Give me a few months and then I can tell you, yeah, this is a must. You should get this if you like to vlog when you're outdoors and out and about and you don't want to take your camera with you. So I'll keep you updated.